SIIT pre-employment programs are quite unique. We're across the province in all four corners, and not only in major urban centers, but we're also delivering pre-employment programs in smaller communities and on First Nations communities.
We also have the Job Connections, which have 10 locations around the province. It helps folks to be connected to employers that are seeking people with their skill set and helps them to find opportunities in their community.
Students are prepared and confident once they finish our programs. They'll have spent weeks with a journey person, learning the right way of working in that trade.
A lot of our students, they want to enter in these trades, but they just feel like they lack the skills. So once they enter the program, they have student support. They have student support from their instructors and also just from our Job Connections team. So after they complete the program, they feel confident about entering into the trade that they want to get into, whether it be welding, carpentry, plumbing. A lot of our programs have developed a lot of skilled workers to enter the workforce.
All of our pre-employment programs include all of the required safety training that folks need, specifically to the trade that they're learning.
So in the recent years, we've had interest from industry in developing specialized programs. How we go about doing that is listening and developing a plan together. So we need to understand the scope of the project, and with that, we're able to develop curriculum. And that's one of the things that's really exciting about SIIT is we have that ability. So having worked with several partners, such as Cameco, SIGA, and SaskPower, we're able to develop curriculum that's for trades that are in high demand, and our clients are extremely happy with the outcomes and the new graduates that are able to join their workforce.
I know with the multi-trades program, we are actually on site working at an actual mine site. That experience alone was it was a tremendous amount of learning experience just for our students. They actually got to go underground. We were in the shop. We had to follow all of our safety procedures and policies at that mine site. So it was a great learning experience for all of our students. They also went under the Cameco modules as well. So after that, they were ready to be hired on that site if they wanted to.
The Powerline Tech program, we run it through with SaskPower as a partnership. That program, again, they're introduced like everything's online, the class is online, and then they learn how to climb power poles and do tasks at height. And that one by far is probably the hardest combination of physical and academic programming we have. But what we're doing is instilling that confidence in them and then having a very open door by SaskPower to take them on as apprentices, which we've been successful in the past with.
It's incredible. It's different from any other schools that I've attended or have seen. We have so much support. Everything is pretty much provided. Your PPE, all your textbooks, everything's taken care of. You have a practicum afterwards. It's just a great programs to enter into, and I think a lot of our students have been successful coming out of our programs, and I love SIIT. I was a student, so for me that was it really began my journey.
SIIT offers the support that you will not get anywhere else. The coolest thing about it is that you get to lean into your uncomfortability, try something new, and expand and learn what you want to do. SIIT is one of the most personal institutions. We work with you on a personal level.
Folks are learning the skills that they need to be immediately employable. They're job ready when they finished our programming, and they are able to go to an employer and showcase the skills they've learned in the training at SIIT.